Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 94, and in this video I will be explain preparation of haloarenes. So preparation of haloarenes by two methods, first and second. First from hydrocarbon by electrophilic substitution, and then second one from amines by Sand-Meyer's reaction. So first is from hydrocarbon by electrophilic substitution. So here you see toluene CH3 attached with benzene react with halogen. So in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst, otherwise iron or iron third chloride, and in the dark. So this halogen attached in ortho position, otherwise para position. So here you see CH3 attached with benzene, ortho position halogen attached. So its name is ortho halo toluene, and then attached with para position. So para halo toluene. And here you see this is the main group, and then attached first position ortho non. And here CH3. So first, second, and third. So from group third position is para. First ortho, second meta, and third para. So its name is para halotoluene, and separate easily due to the difference in their melting point. Okay. So first reaction with iodine required then. If toluene react with iodine, so require the presence of an oxidizing agent HNO3 HiO4 to oxidize the HI formed during the iodination, and it is the reversible in nature. Then fluoro compounds are not formed due to the high reactivity of fluorine. So fluoro compounds are not formed due to the high reactivity of fluorine. So this reaction only for maximum done for chlorine and bromine, because for iodine require the presence of the oxidizing agent, and during iodination and reversible in nature, and then fluoro compound are not formed because high reactivity of fluorine. So this is the first preparation method from hydrocarbon by electrophilic substitution reaction. Then second method is from amines by Sand-Meyer reaction. So here naming reaction given. So properly you see Sand-Meyer reaction. When a 1 degree aromatic amine dissolve or suspended in cold aqueous mineral acid treated with sodium nitrite. Okay, so 1 degree aromatic amine dissolve, otherwise suspended in cold aqueous mineral acid, so treated with sodium nitrite. So here you see aniline we have to take 1 degree aromatic amine, NH2 attached with benzene ring. So react with NaNO2 plus HX, sodium nitrite and HX in the presence of the 273 to 278 Kelvin. So here nitrogen combine and N2 form, and then halogen attract its electron, so halide and X minus. So N2 plus X minus, and this hydrogen and oxygen and Na form NaOH. So here form N2 plus X minus attached with benzene, so its name is C, B benzene, N2 diazonium X halide. So benzene diazonium halide, it's Sand-Meyer reaction. Okay. So when 1 degree aromatic amine dissolved or suspended in cold aqueous mineral acid and treated with the sodium nitrate NaNO2, so form B benzene diazonium halide. But benzene diazonium halide are formed BDH form. So it's this reaction diazotization. Okay, and this BDH react with Cu2X2. Okay, and so halogen attached with benzene ring, and this compound is out, and to release, and then halogen attached. So halogen here chlorine, bromine. Okay, and then Cu2X2 means cuprous halide. And whenever we take Ki, because halogen here Cl and Br only, but iodo form, so we take Ki. So N2 remove and then K attach with X, so iodine attach with benzene. So iodo-benzene form. So whenever in exams Sandmeyer reaction will become, so you write this two reaction. And diazotization reaction came, so will become, so you write this reaction. Okay, so for Sandmeyer reaction, this one, Sandmeyer, and then diazotization, this reaction. Okay, so there are two types of method of prepare of haloarenes. First is from hydrocarbons by electrophilic substitution, and second one from amines by Sandmeyer reaction. Example 10.4, here you see write product name. So here this is structure given and HBr. So double bond, first you see this carbon, this position. This is carbon, double bond carbon, and HBr, HX. So without catalyst, that is means here which follow rule, Markovnikov rule. So Br attached, here you see carbon attached only one hydrogen, and here carbon attached two hydrogen. So here less number of hydrogen. So Br attached that position which have less number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen attached this, so this double bond is break, and Br attached this position and hydrogen attached this position. Second one reaction, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2 but 1 in and react with HCl. So here Cl attached, here you see without catalyst, that is means which rule follow, Markovnikov rule. So here this is two double bond carbon, this carbon and this carbon. So halogen attached that carbon which have less number of hydrogen, and the hydrogen attached that carbon which have maximum number of hydrogen atom. So CH3 CH2 CH Cl double bond convert into the single bond, and hydrogen attached CH2, so CH3. Then question number 3, this benzene ring CH2CH double bond CH2 HBr in the presence of the peroxide. First you see here double bond given, second you see here HX given, but in the presence of the peroxide, that is means catalyst. So anti-Markovnikov rule, opposite of the Markovnikov rule, that is means halogen attach that position which that carbon which have maximum number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen attach that carbon which have less number of carbon atom. So benzene CH2 CH2 double bond convert into the single bond, and CH2 Br. Okay, then in text question, why is sulfuric acid not used during the reaction of alcohol with Ki? Because sulfuric acid can't be used along with Ki in the conversion of the alcohol to an Ri, because that is convert Ki to corresponding acid, so Hi, which is then oxidized by its to iodine. Then third number, write structure of different dihalogen derivatives of propane. So you learn which type of dihalogen derivatives of propane. First you write propane 1 2 3 carbon and attach dihalogen. So any two halogen you take, any two, like chlorine you take, but two halogen. So like Cl we take. So first position and the last position halogen attached. So name it's 1,3 dichloropropane. Otherwise you attach first and second position attached. So first two, 1 and 2 dichloropropane. If first position both chlorine attached, so 1,1 dichloropropane, and if second position you attach both, so 2,2 dichloropropane. So these are four structure of different dihalogen derivatives of propane. Then question number 4. Among the isomeric alkanes of molecular formula C5H12, identify the one that on photochemical chlorination yield. First is single monochloride. So we have to see single monochloride, that is means halogen attached with 1 degree carbon. So all the hydrogen atom are equivalent. So we neopentane we take. Okay, so see, one carbon attach 4 carbon, so halogen attach this carbon, so 1 degree. So all the hydrogen atom are equivalent and replacement of any hydrogen will give the same product. Then second one, 3 isomeric monochloride. 3 isomeric monochloride, that is means 3 position we attach halogen and different name is obtained. So name is pentane C. First number attach Cl, second number and third number. So different 3 types of monochloride obtained. Equivalent hydrogen are grouped as the replacement of the equivalent hydrogen will give the same product. Then fourth, 4 isomeric monochlorides. So 4 isomeric monochlorides, first here you see 2 methyl group attached with 1 carbon. If you attach this carbon, so they name different. If you attach this carbon, so name are different. Third, this is the first position, and third and then 4 isomeric product are possible. Next question is, draw the structure of major monohalo product in each of the following reaction. So here you see OH attach this ring and SOCl2, and you already know about whenever alcohol react with thionyl chloride, so halo compound is formed, so OH replace and halogen attach. Okay, so Cl attach ring. Then only for you write product. CH2 CH3 attach with benzene and second one side NO2 attach in the presence of the Br2. So you already known hydrogen replace and then Br attach. So CHBr and CH3. Okay. Then third one, CH2 OH attach with benzene and OH. So react with HCl. So halogen replace OH group and then OH and H. A water form and Cl attach CH2. So CH2 Cl and then benzene attach with OH. Then next fourth reaction, CH3 attach with double bond carbon. So here you see double bond carbon, here double bond carbon, and react with HI and without peroxide. So that is means here which rule? Markovnikov rule follow, and I here carbon less number of hydrogen atom. So iodine here attach and hydrogen here attach. Hydrogen here and iodine here. So double bond convert into the single bond and then iodine here attach and hydrogen here. Okay. Then CH3, CH2, Br and Ni. So NaBr out and then I attach. So iodomethane are formed. This cyclohexene react with Br2 and then heat and UV light. So Br directly attach. Okay. So these 6 reactions. Physical properties of haloalkane. Color. Haloalkane colorless when pure condition, and then when bromide and iodides exposed to the light then develop color. Its smell, haloalkane, haloarine smell, mainly volatile halogen compounds have sweet smell. Then solubility. Haloalkane very slightly soluble in water. And to dissolve haloalkane in water, so energy is required to overcome the attraction between the haloalkane molecules and break hydrogen bonds between water. Then less energy released when new attraction are formed and between the haloalkanes, and then water molecules as these are not as strong as original hydrogen bond in water. Then haloalkane tend to dissolve in organic solvent because the new intermolecular attraction between the haloalkanes and solvent molecules have much the same strength as the ones being broken in the separate haloalkane and the solvent molecules. Then density. Bromo and iodo and polychloro derivatives of hydrocarbons are heavier than water. Bromo compound, iodo compound and polychloro derivatives of hydrocarbon heavier than water. So whenever density increase, so number of carbon atom also increase and halogen atom. So atomic mass of the halogen atom also increase. So density increase. Then melting and boiling point. At room temperature, CH3Cl, CH3Br, C2H5Cl and some chloro and fluoromethanes are gases. Room temperature. Chloromethane, bromomethane, chloroethane and some chloro compound fluoromethane are gases form. higher members, liquid or solids. Then molecules of organic halogen compounds are polar due to its greater polarities as well as higher molecule as compared to the parent hydrocarbon. And then intermolecular forces of attraction, dipole-dipole, and then van der Waals force are stronger in the halogen derivatives. So boiling point of chloride, bromide and iodides are higher than hydrocarbon of comparable molecular mass. So this question likely, boiling point of chloride, bromide and iodide are higher than hydrocarbon of similar molecular mass. So reason, intermolecular forces of attraction, dipole-dipole and then van der Waals forces, okay, are stronger in the halogen derivative, okay, and due to the greater polarity. Clear? Then next, molecules of haloalkanes get bigger in size, so have more electrons, so attraction get stronger. See, same alkyl group, boiling point of haloalkane decrease, Ri greater than RBr, RCl and then RF. Because with size increase, so mass of halogen atom also, and the magnitude of van der Waals forces also increase. So iodoalkane boiling point increases. Then boiling point of isomeric haloalkanes decrease inversely proportional branching. Branching increase, that is means its boiling point of isomeric haloalkanes decrease. Okay, like see, 2-bromo-2-methyl propane has lowest boiling point with 3 isomers. Here you see bromobutane, 2-bromobutane and here 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. So here you see same molecular formula, but boiling point you see here 1-bromobutane 375, 364 and 346. So 2-bromo-2-methyl propane has lowest boiling point with 3 isomer. Reason, branching increase, so that is mean its boiling point decrease. Okay. Then boiling point of isomeric dihalogens are nearly same. Here you see ortho dichlorobenzene, meta dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. Boiling point here you see and melting point 453, 446, 48, 480, 48. 256 melting point, 249, 320. So approximately nearly same. Reason, dihalogen attached with benzene. Then para isomers high melting. If we have to compare ortho, meta and para, so para isomers are high melting, greater than ortho and meta. Reason, if attach halogen in para position, so symmetry way. So due to the symmetry of the para isomers that fit crystal lattice, in crystal lattice better as compared to ortho and meta isomers. So reason, symmetry. Okay, so para isomers are high melting. Then in text question 10.6, arrange compounds in order of the increased boiling points. So first is bromomethane, bromoform, chloromethane and dibromomethane. Bromomethane, that is means CS3Br, bromoform CBr4, chloromethane CS3Cl and dibromomethane Br attached to Br attached with CS2. So here you see CS3Cl increasing boiling point, because here you see CS3Cl, then CS3Br, then 2 Br attached and then 4 Br. So how many halogen? Here 4 Br attached with carbon. So here molecular mass increase. So molecular mass increase, that is mean its boiling point also increase. Okay, then dibromo and then bromomethane and then last chloromethane. Second one, 1-chloropropane, isopropyl chloride, 1-chlorobutane. So here you see 1-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane and then 1-chlorobutane. So here you see one halogen attached this, one halogen, so it's boiling 1-chloropropane, because here you see less number of hydrocarbon chain. Okay, then here isomeric and then straight chain, but 4 carbon atom. Okay, so branched has lower boiling point. So here branched comparison, then here 3 and here 4. So branched has lower boiling point, so it is 1 chloropropane, it has maximum boiling point. Okay, next topic I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.